Japan, a land of ancient traditions, breathtaking landscapes, and a fascinating history. From the rise of its first emperors to the vibrant culture we see today, Japan's past is as captivating as it is complex. Join us as we take a journey through the history of Japan. The history of Japan dates back thousands of years. The first signs of human habitation appeared during the Paleolithic period, but it wasn't until the Jomon period, around 14,000 years ago, that distinct cultural developments began. The Jomon people left behind intricate pottery, signaling the birth of a unique culture. Around 250 AD, the Yamato clan began uniting Japan under a single ruler. The first emperor, Emperor Jimmu, is said to have founded the imperial dynasty, which continues to this day. This period laid the foundation for the centralization of power in Japan. The next major chapter in Japanese history came with the rise of the samurai during the feudal era. Powerful clans fought for control of the country, leading to centuries of warfare. The samurai became the backbone of Japanese society, their code of honor, Bushido, shaping Japan's culture and identity. Fast forward to the mid-19th century when Japan was thrust into modernity during the Meiji Restoration. The country rapidly industrialized, modernized its military, and opened up to the world. The events of the Meiji era transformed Japan into a world power. Today, Japan stands as a symbol of both ancient tradition and cutting-edge technology. From the temples and shrines to the innovation in robotics and technology, Japan's history has shaped its remarkable present. Thank you for watching this journey through Japan's rich history. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Join us next time as we explore the stories that shaped the world. Sayonara and see you in the next video.
K0